Hey guys, Pokey16 here, and uh, I am making this video because I want to tell you about my first paintball gun, because I shot it a couple days ago. It shot amazing, like, shot really good. I probably will be selling this gun once as I get my new E-Tech 3 AM in like 2 months. Yeah, I'll probably be selling this, so, uh, like right after Christmas, just probably post a video if I want to sell it, and if anybody wants to buy it. So, I'll just show you guys the gun for whoever hasn't seen it yet. Alright, sorry, here it is, the Spider Rodeo, show you it right here. There, Spider Rodeo. If you are just looking to get into paintball, then I would recommend this gun because it does not cost a lot of money and it shoots really good. Yeah, I put like case through it a couple days ago. I didn't have one chop at all. I didn't, not one ball broke. Yeah, just shot great all day. So, show you guys the barrel. Here it is. It's a 12 or 14 inch, I'm not sure. I haven't really measured it, but it comes stock with this gun. Oh yeah, I will be, if I do sell this gun, it will come with the barrel. And hang on, let me get the other stuff. Just a second, sorry guys. Alright, sorry about that. But yeah, this is what will come with the gun. This is CO2. As you know, everybody starts out with CO2. Your energy tank, it's a 12 ounce CO2. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, yeah. And this gun, it doesn't really use that much air. Like it can shoot a lot of paint before it runs out of air. It does not consume a lot. Yeah. So that tank will be added, and just this regular hopper here, just, you know, regular. It's not electric. I don't think you will be needing an electric hopper for the paintball gun, because not that the trigger is not the easiest to pull back, but you know, I got pretty used to it. Oh yeah, and another thing, don't have to maintain this gun at all. There's absolutely, I've never taken this gun apart for any reason. Just doesn't need it. Like, perfectly fine. Yeah, I really like this gun. You can use it for any paintball, uh, like type, like airball or wood ball. It's really good in wood ball. That's fun. Found that out. Or scenario. That's the two I found that it works the best in. Uh, for the hopper, hang on, sorry. Alright, for the hopper, the tank, the barrel, and the gun itself, I'll probably be selling it for about $90 to $100. Not that much for a really good gun like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Amazing gun. Bye.